choosing the right domain name is key to building a successful online presence for your business. It helps customers find you easily, remember your brand, and build trust. In this video, you'll discover valuable tips and strategies to select a domain name that is clear, memorable, and aligned with your business goals. Whether you're launching a new venture or rebranding an existing one, this guide will help you create a strong foundation for your online success. First, remember to keep your domain simple and memorable. To do so, choose a name that's short, easy to spell, and directly reflects your business or purpose. Avoid using numbers, special characters, or complex words that might confuse people. Aim for a name that's catchy and intuitive, so users can easily recall and type it without mistakes. Now it's time to choose the right domain extension. .com is the most preferable domain extension as it is the most recognized and trusted by users. However, if your desired .com is unavailable, you can consider alternatives like .net, .co, or industry-specific extensions like .store or .tech. If your business is targeting a specific country, a country code TLD like .ca for Canada, .uk for the United Kingdom, could also be a good option to reflect your geographic focus. Now remember to include keywords in your domain to help people find your business online. For example, a bakery could use bestcakes.com or johnsbakery.com. Keep it simple and easy to remember without overloading it with too many keywords. Remember to make your domain memorable by keeping it simple. A short, easy-to-spell name will stick in people's minds. For example, johnsbakery.com is much easier to remember than something like johns-bakery123.com. Finally, keep your domain name short and easy to remember, ideally between 4 to 12 characters. Shorter names are easier to type, share, and recall, making them more effective for building your brand. Now it's time to check if your domain is available. For that, you can use iCall Domain Analyzer. Just type your desired domain name into a domain search, look at the domain details, and wait for AI to analyze your domain. Here, it will be evaluated based on domain length, memorability and simplicity, SEO and keywords, domain extension, and relevance to your business. If your desired domain is already taken and you are not able to come up with more ideas, you can try domain name suggestions or different extensions. Try it yourself and find the best domain name for your business today. iCall AI for Business.